Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to learn what is WordPress. Yes, exactly what is WordPress you will be known here. Let's begin the session. See, WordPress is a software designed for everyone. There is a no limitation and the person is a limitation for the specific industry people for IT. Not at all like this. It is for designed for everyone, emphasizing accessibility, performance, security, and ease of use. We believe great software should work with minimum setting up. So you can focus on sharing your story, product, or services freely by making WordPress websites. And now, WordPress contributors work around the globe and have dedicated countless hours to build a tool that democratizes publishing. WordPress is open source software that is both free and priceless. WordPress powers the features of the WordPress you will learn here. The WordPress powers more than 35% of the web. A figure is rises day to day on every day. Everything from simple websites to blogs to complex portals and enterprise websites are building nowadays with this WordPress tool. And even applications are built with WordPress. Simplicity of WordPress. Simplicity makes it possible for you to get online and get publishing very quickly. Nothing should get in the way you getting your website up and your content out there. WordPress is built to make that happen. Most of the hosting providers where we are going to be host our website, these all are freely support this WordPress tool. All you have to buy the WordPress like a space of the hosting space with the domain name, you can build with there itself. And the user management, it's very important for most of the dynamic web applications. Not everyone requires the same access to your website. Like administrator may manage the site, editors will work with the content, others will contribute the write the content to post, and subscribers will have the profile that they have to manage themselves and read the articles. This let you have a variety of contributions, and the contributors are going to be interact with your web application or website. And let others simply be a part of your community. The user management plugin will taken care all these things. And come to easy theme system. WordPress comes bundled with three default themes. If you are not comfortable with these three themes, you can have a search of the facility of the directory of the themes. Thousands of variety themes are available ready-madely. Take your theme and create your beautiful website applying of these themes and extend with plugins. Vast number of plugins are available in the WordPress site. There, the contributors of the network are providing these plugins and the features for every user. For every feature that's not in a WordPress core, that's a plugin directory with thousands of the plugins and complex galleries, social networking, forums, social media widgets, spam protection, security protection, calendars, fine-tuned controls, search engine optimization, and forms. These all the plugins are absolutely free to use, where you have to find what the plugin will suit you and collect from the web and integrate to your WordPress site. It's a very easy option you will find out. And the custom content type. WordPress comes with the default content, but more flexible. You can add a few lines of code to create your own custom post type, taxonomies, and metadata. Take WordPress in whatever direction you wish to function your WordPress site. I hope These all the features are more exciting, but you should know how to take a search of the plugins and how to add all these things. We are cover most of the things in our journey of WordPress. You will be more exciting to know more these things. These are very simple and easy. You should not require to know about to write the coding and all. I hope these lectures will more helpful for you to develop your own WordPress sites. Thank you for watching this lecture. Thank you.